What is up, guys? My name is Landon Poindexter, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys 5 cheap altcoins that I think are about to explode in the next 6 months. All right. I do get my information by looking at the charts. There is a lot of news that goes into it as well, but I'm going to be showing you basically what the charts are telling us and how we can look at it for predicting the future prediction and seeing if they're going to explode or not. All right. So the first one is going to be XRP. This is the first coin that I like, that I think will explode in the next 6 months, solely based looking off, where it's at in the market and the news surrounding it. All right. So you can see right here, it's at a very key level at the time of this video. We have a very strong area of support right here that it is reacting off of. It came down to it, as we can see right here, and rejected really hard. And this is also a very key area of supply and demand. And we like to mark our supply and demand up with boxes, because it's not really a line so much like a support and resistance. It's kind of like an area. And this is places in the market where the people with a lot of money like to wait for price to come to either buy off or sell off. In this situation, this is where they like to buy when the price gets this cheap. As you can see in the past, price came right here, shot up, came back, shot up to the moon, came back, shot up to the moon, came back, shot up, came back, shot up, and we are right back in that area. All right. And there's another area of support and resistance right here. Obviously, you can see where a lot of money moves in this coin. If we can break through this, the sky's the limit for sure. But it's at a really cheap price. You should definitely get it right now. It's not even at $1. All these coins I'm giving you are going to be below $1, so they're going to be very cheap and affordable. But as of right now, we are sitting at a very key level of supply and demand, and right there on a area of support where price likes to reject. So this is a good coin to get in right now if you're seeing this video early. All right. The next coin is the Algo. All right. As you can guys see, how my trading strategy is, you'll see a lot in this is a lot of market structure. I like to go off market structure because indicators are good, but you can get a lot of information just by looking at the market structure. And we can see where we're at right now in this time of the market. We are really close to an area of supply and demand and support, where price likes to, tap into this area and shoot to the moon. As you can see from the past history, price has come right here, played around, and then skyrocketed. Come right here, skyrocketed. Keeps bouncing off, and it's right there in that area again. You can go ahead and buy actually right now if you wanted to, because when it hits this area, you might be left behind, because there's a good area of supply and demand right here. So you can see these are basically magnets for the price and where it needs to go. So if you don't buy right now and you're just waiting, like, oh, I'm gonna wait until it gets really, really close, I mean, you could get it at a cheaper price, but you're taking a risk at it just mooning without you, and you're not even gonna catch the big multiplier. So if I was you, I would be buying this coin right now as soon as you see this video. All right, because this thing is about to take off. And with our next one, we like Phantom. All right. As you can tell, looking at the past, look where this is at in the market. Really, really, really strong support right here. And we're right there on it. Also followed up by a really big area of supply and demand. All right. They play hand in hand when giving you big reactions in the market, because a lot of people are confused and don't really know, if it's going to buy or sell. That's why we like to look at market structure to basically tell us what is going to happen going forward. All right. So you can see we're near a very strong area of supply and demand where price, tap into this area, moon, come down, tap into this area, reject, reject, reject. It's going to take off in the next few days or weeks. And if you didn't buy it, well, you obviously missed it. And it's been above $1 before, and it's sitting at about 68 cents right now. So I'm telling you now, if you want to 10 extra money, 100 extra money, 1,000 extra money, put it in this coin right now before it takes off, because it's in a very, very, very strong key level of the market. So that is what I think about Phantom. All right, and then we have 2 more left. We are looking at Cardano. All right. So you can see right here, we're playing around kind of in this area right here, which is a supply and demand area that has been formed in the past. That was well respected. That caused this coin to basically skyrocket. I don't know if you caught it or not, but right underneath it is a really strong area of support. So we have both playing hand in hand. Like I said, again, both playing hand in hand, which could cause a huge reaction towards the upside, because this coin is bearish right now. I mean, the past few months it's been bearish, but overall it's a bullish coin. All right, and this area, as you can see, what happened last time this coin got into this area, I mean, it took off. I don't know if you were buying it, if you were holding it at that time, but if you did, you made some serious change. If you didn't, now's your time to get it before it does it again, because usually history repeats itself. All right. So you can see right here, we have a little bit of resistance followed up by a really strong area of resistance up here. And this is where the coin usually likes to go to when it takes off. It's either going to bust through here and keep going, or it might reject and play a little bit. If it busts through here, I mean, we don't know where it's going to go. Keep on mooning, you know. And that is my prediction / analysis for this coin. All right. For the final coin, it is the XLM. All right. Like I said, guys, all these coins are very, very cheap because not everybody has $1 million to put into alternate coins. All right. This one I like the most just from the historical data that we've seen and how the price reacts in this area. I mean, we can basically see since open what has happened right here. All right. This is probably the cheapest you're going to get it. We're in a really, 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 really strong area of supply and demand. As we can see in the past, what has happened. Also, let me mark this up so you can see as well. Hopefully, you guys are getting the hang of how I'm figuring this out and how I'm marking these charts up. Because you can see in the past what has happened when it's come down here. It went all the way up there, come down here, took off. Kind of played around, come right here, took off. That's basically how supply and demand works. It's just really strong areas in the market where price loves to react in simple terms. And we are right there, which is probably going to cause this thing to flourish and shoot right back to the moon as it has done multiple times in the past. And this is a good example of what I mean by price not actually coming down 100% of the zone before it even took off. So you can see right here, price got really close, but didn't tap into the key area and just shot off. This is in a very strong key area, so buy it right now while it's cheap. Don't wait for it to take off for you to try to catch the next bull run. All right, and these are the 5 cheap altcoins I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.